start off and tell us who you're making this ring for and why you wanted to decide to do it yourself, or how did you think of?
My name is James McKenzie. I decided that I wanted to go ahead and make a ring for my future wife, Monica Mary Kemp. I had to envision in my mind what I wanted the ring to look like, and I was on the market and I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. I just started looking into alternative sources, and then that's when I looked into whether or not you can make your own ring. Luckily, there's a place right here in Dallas. I'm here and I'm ready to start making the ring, getting ready for the next step.
The materials for the project, and there's the beauty.
And then this is the 3-stone setting I was asking for.
Yep.
The 2 smaller diamonds?
Yes. Where does your girl think you're at today?
At work.
You are at work. You're working on her ring, boy. That's it. Nice.